Export image or rendering image. We have two modes in Enscape. The first method we call single rendering. The second mode is multi-rendering. In the Enscape window, this icon is a screenshot or single rendering. We just select any location and give it a name. Click Save. And its special point. When we render on a scene, is it a link with a visual setting preset? Before we render the final, make sure are we okay with setting especially output with rendering quality. Obviously, when we work on Enscape, I recommend render final with ultra quality. The output is we take Ultra HD or 4K resolution, and its effect follow with each preset. We click on this one multi-rendering or batch rendering, and we select the scene we want to render. We click Render and select Folder.